Hi, I'm Jess, and this is my trusty sidekick, Cliff. Today, we are going to walk you through the ins and outs of how to use a GE front load washer. Don't worry if your model looks a little different. Our handy tips still apply. First off, tackle those pesky stains by pre-treating items as advised on the product label. Some of our models have a nifty pre-wash feature, saving you from dripping water all over the floor, bringing your clothes from the sink to the laundry machine. And with Smart HQ, you get extra wash options for those tricky fabrics or stubborn stains that aren't covered on the machine itself. Next up, loading. Open the door and put your clothes in. It's okay to fill it up as long as items are loosely loaded. As always, sorting by fabric type and color is a great habit to extend the life of your clothes. Remember, it's important to keep your front load washer loads balanced. To make sure all the water spins out at the end of the cycle, ensure you are washing enough items to allow equal distribution around the drum. If you have smaller loads, add a towel to keep things even. Once your laundry's in, close the door and let's get to selecting options. This might involve turning knobs or pressing buttons on the display, depending on your control panel. Cycle selection is primarily based on what you're washing. Easy peasy, just turn the knob. Some features on select models make laundry day even easier. Look out for Smart Dispense or Power Steam. With the My Cycle feature, you can save your preferences. Just press the button after you've made your selections and it'll remember for next time. And for those times when you're dealing with extra dirty laundry, you have the extra rinse option. Precise fill or autofill means you can sit back, relax, and let the machine figure out the right amount of water based on the load size. For really grubby items, we have the Sanitize with OxyCycle. It removes bacteria using an oxy additive with detergent and an initial lower water fill for a concentrated high temperature wash, followed by a pump purge and deep rinse. Next, pour your detergent and fabric softener in the appropriate compartment, following the package recommendations. Avoid overfilling or diluting detergent to prevent premature dispensing in the wash cycle. Using detergent packs, make sure to add those to the bottom of the washer tub before adding clothes. Some models feature Smart Dispense for detergent or softener, so you don't have to fill it up every wash cycle. Just press the Smart Dispense button and you don't have to worry about refilling for weeks. Ready to wash? Press start. But wait, forgot a jersey? Happens to all of us. Just press start pause and wait for the door to unlatch. It could take up to 30 seconds depending on the wash status, and just pop it in. Worried about front load funk? GE Appliances solve this all too common front loader odor. Our front load washers have the ultra fresh vent system protected by microbands. Once the wash cycle is complete and the clothes have been removed, just select the button to eliminate excess moisture and keep your washer fresh and clean. You can even leave the washer door closed. So there you have it, your guide to using your GE front load washer like a pro. Happy washing!